What exactly is an ideogram? Imagine a picture, a simple drawing that represents an idea. This is the essence of an ideogram. It's a visual symbol that conveys meaning directly without needing to be spoken or written as a word. Unlike letters which form words, ideograms stand alone. Think of the number 7 or the symbol and. These are ideograms, instantly recognizable across languages. They are powerful tools of communication. Ideograms are different from other writing systems. Alphabets, for example, use letters to represent sounds. These sounds combine to form words. Ideograms, however, represent whole ideas or concepts. This makes them incredibly efficient. One symbol can convey a complex thought. This is why they are used in various fields, from mathematics to music. Take, for instance, the ubiquitous emoji. A smiley face instantly conveys happiness. A heart symbolizes love. These are modern-day ideograms simplifying communication in our digital world. They add emotional depth to our texts and emails, transcending language barriers. Ideograms are not just ancient relics, they are living tools of expression. Ideograms are as old as human civilization itself. Cave paintings, with their depictions of animals and hunts, are early examples of ideograms. These images told stories and conveyed information essential for survival. As societies evolved, so did ideograms. They developed into more formalized writing systems. Ancient civilizations, from the Egyptians to the Chinese, relied heavily on ideograms. Egyptian hieroglyphs, with their intricate symbols, recorded the pharaoh's reigns and religious beliefs. In China, ideograms evolved into the complex characters used today. These characters, representing words or concepts, formed a writing system that connected a vast and diverse land. The use of ideograms wasn't limited to these civilizations. Across the world, cultures developed their own systems of visual communication. From the Americas to Africa, ideograms played a crucial role in recording history, sharing knowledge, and preserving cultural identity. They are a testament to the ingenuity of the human mind. Ideograms haven't vanished in our modern world. In fact, they are thriving. The digital age has breathed new life into these ancient symbols. Emojis, those ubiquitous icons in our texts and social media, are prime examples. They inject emotion and humor into our digital conversations. A simple thumbs up conveys agreement, while a crying, laughing emoji expresses amusement. But the use of ideograms in the digital world goes beyond emojis. Think of the icons on your computer desktop or smartphone. A folder represents a place to store files. A trash can symbolizes deletion. These are all ideograms simplifying our interaction with technology. They make technology more user-friendly and accessible. In a world saturated with information, ideograms offer a quick and efficient way to communicate. They cut through the noise, conveying meaning instantly. Their ability to transcend language barriers is invaluable in our increasingly interconnected world. Their ability to transcend language barriers is invaluable in our increasingly interconnected world.